And in what I believe will be the final installment of this series, I'm going to work a little bit on the river creek bed itself, using a variety of rocks and stones and so on, which you can see here, the most common of which is this river bottom mix that comes from Arizona Rock and Mineral. Nice people. They make everything out of real rocks and they grind it up and sell it. Here's also a nice product that has a remarkable resemblance to real dirt, because that's what it is, real dirt. I forget how much that cost, but you know, it was a lot considering it's just dirt. You can spend all that money, or you can go down to Lowe's or Home Depot, and for next to nothing you can get 75 pounds of what they call tube sand, and it's got exactly the same composition, grades of fine and not so fine gravel and sand and stuff all mixed together. And you do the same thing again. Wet everything down, throw on some glue if you can find it. And put on a few layers. Probably starting with this. I think the only reason you want to add other stuff is either to change texture or possibly to change the color of things. And then finally, little cast plaster boulders that I've painted, and they'll go in with a touch of hot glue maybe on them, or some straight Elmers here and there throughout. And then when it comes time to pour the fake water, those will be the places where you can do some water effects to show ripples and eddies behind them. Otherwise, it's just doing this for another 30 feet or so. We'll come back when it's done.